Hey, it's Nicole from supplyhouse.com, and today we're going to talk about the SharkBite EvoPEX system. This connection system is a permanent, non-removable connection system for PEX pipe only in plumbing and hydronic heating applications. SharkBite EvoPEX is engineered to improve efficiency with no soldering, unions, clamps, or glue. It uses evolutionary push-to-connect technology with a visual indicator for assurance of proper connection, providing peace of mind. It also provides effective water delivery with immunity to corrosion and mineral buildup, and can be pressure tested immediately once all connections are made. The EvoPEX system comes in a variety of styles, such as female and male connectors, end caps, ball valves, stop valves, and more in sizes ranging from 1/2 inch to 1 inch. It's made in the USA and comes with a 25-year system warranty. For more information, visit the resources at supplyhouse.com or email us with any questions.